How to connect devices using Shareit. Hi everyone, in this following video I'll be showing you the ways to connect devices using Shareit. So to connect devices using Shareit, you have to follow the steps. Now first of all, make sure to install the Shareit application on both the devices, that is sending as well as receiving devices, and you can download Shareit from your respective app store. After you're done installing the application, you can go ahead and open it up or log in into your Shareit application. When you open it up, then it's going to take you to the home page. Now on the sending device, tap the send button or send files option. Between device, tap the receive or receive files option. Make sure both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, and after you do that procedure, then you can choose a file that you wish to transfer from the sending device. And Shareit also allows you to select multiple files at once. So let me go with this one. So I'm gonna go with this, and this one. After you're done with that procedure, click the send button. When you've tapped the send button or send files button, so Shareit will start searching for nearby devices. You also need to make sure to enable all sort of permission, and after selecting the file, tap the send or send file button. Shareit will start searching for the nearby devices, and on the receiving device a pop-up notification will appear asking if you want to accept the incoming files. You can go ahead and tap on the accept to initiate the transfer, and once the transfer is completed, you'll receive a confirmation message on both devices. You can access the transfer files in the designated folders on the receiving device. So that's how you can connect devices using Shareit. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.